When I revealed that all-weather leather satchel that I purchased a few weeks ago from Dooney Bourke, I mentioned being in love or back in love with Dooney Bourke. And guys, it is official. I'm back in love. Not only have these sales for Black Friday just been off the chain, but I've discovered quite a few handbags that I don't know how they had just slipped past my radar. Well, anyway, today we're going to be unboxing one of a few that I purchased during the sale. So if you want to see what they are, just keep watching. Hey sis, my name is Ray and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here, we talk about luxury and contemporary handbags and accessories, lifestyle, and just staying fly on a budget. So if those are things that you're interested in, you should definitely subscribe. But anyway, I wanted to share with you guys something that I picked up from Dooney Bourke. I know that y'all know they had been having some really good sales just for Black Friday leading up to the holidays, and I just have not been able to resist. I've been saying that I don't need to buy anything else, that I was trying to hold off until December, which is just a few days away now because my birthday is in December. I'm going to be traveling a little bit, and I know that I'll be spending some money on myself in December. But y'all, truth be told, I've been spending money on myself all year. So I think besides the traveling, it may be a wrap for me in December. But I have purchased quite a few things from Dooney Bourke, and some of them have not come in yet. But one item did come in yesterday, and so I wanted to unbox it with you guys. And so here it is right here in this nice box. So I found something I wanted to talk about what's been going on with me and why I haven't really just been on Dooney. But I don't know, for some reason, and I think I may have mentioned a little bit in one of my last videos, I don't like heavy handbags. And it got to a point where I started feeling like Dooney bags were just too heavy. And mainly because I like to wear satchels, so I tend to like to carry bags that are handheld. So, you know, weight is really important for people who carry their bags in the crook of their arms or in their hands. And so for that reason, I've started shying away from Dooney and going towards other brands. And then I also got into a phase where I was only on luxury stuff. Like if it wasn't Gucci or Louis Vuitton, like I wasn't checking for it. And I don't know why, because my bank account and my annual income is not consistent with that attitude at all. So I had to kind of level check and get back to reality. I have purchased a couple of items from the luxury fashion houses this year. I purchased 2 handbags from Gucci. But that's all I'm going to be purchasing for a while, at least, you know, like brand new. I won't be purchasing anything from Gucci, Louis Vuitton, or anywhere else that's considered luxury if it's not pre-loved at this point. And even then, right now, there's not really anything on my wish list that's in my price range. So I'm kind of cool on them. But for right now, I wanted to just go over this particular piece. Now, this bag, I'm not gonna lie, is one of those the internet made me do it things. And this person has actually influenced me to purchase 3 bags that I can remember. And it's Mo Knows Beauty. Now, I've seen her unbox or reveal this bag a few times in a few different colors. And I just watched a video of hers last week or the week before last where she unboxed this particular bag in the color that I'm going to be unboxing today. And it was just gorgeous. And it was on sale. So I knew I had to have it. So I went on ahead and ordered it. The second bag was the Pebble Grain satchel in the color denim, and it was also a Dooney Bourke bag. Love the color, love the silhouette, love the contrasting you know, the Sierra leather trim on the bag, but it was just too big for me. I don't know how Mo does it because she looks like shorter than me, but look, that bag was just too big for me. I just felt like I just didn't feel like it looked right on me, and I felt weird carrying it as a handheld. So I found myself using it as a shoulder bag more than a satchel, and I purchased it because it was a satchel. So I ended up selling it. And then there's a third bag. There is a Florentine leather tassel shoulder bag that I have. I think I actually revealed it in my fall handbags collection. So I will link that video down below. Yeah, I'll link that video down below just in case you haven't seen it. But it was indubitably Sanice who actually influenced me to purchase that bag. I believe that she mentioned purchasing it as a Christmas gift for a friend of hers while it was on sale. And I saw it. It was still on sale, and I went on ahead and got it because it was cute. It was red. I didn't have anything red in Florentine leather. And it's actually one of those rare made in USA items from Dooney Bourke, and it's still in my collection, obviously, because I just reviewed it, but I haven't worn it yet. But anyway, I say all of that to say that Dooney Bourke really does make some gorgeous bags. And I don't know what was going on with me during the time period where I was just kind of off of them altogether. But I'm back on now. So let's just get into this particular one. So what I picked up was the Twist Strap Hobo in the Florentine leather in the color Natural. And from what I can see so far, it looks like this bag is completely smooth, which I'm very happy about. I've grown to love Florentine leather, whether or not it's smooth. And this is pebbled all over. I don't know if my phone is going to pick that up, but this satchel is pebbled all over. And when I first got it, I was tempted to send it back because, you know, it's Florentine leather. And when the Florentine is smooth, it's just like everything. But for whatever reason, I decided not to return it because there was a possibility that the one that they sent me could be just as pebbled or worse than the one that I already had. And so I decided to keep it, and I'm glad that I did because it's a beautiful bag, whether it's smooth or pebbled. The good thing about that satchel is that the texture is consistent. Now, I think had it been like really smooth in spots and pebbled in other spots, I probably would have gone ahead and returned it. But because it was pebbled all over, or textured, I should say, all over, I decided to keep it. And I'm glad that I did because it's still a beautiful bag. And now that it started to patina a little bit, I'm really like, it's just giving the bag character, and it just makes it more gorgeous in my opinion. But here we are. This is the Florentine Twist Strap Hobo in the color Natural. As you can see here, it has the gold stitching. I'm just inspecting the bag, just trying to see. It looks like there's something on the back of the bag. I don't know what this is. Guys, can you see this? Look at this. You see that? It's like a black dot. I don't know what this is. If it's like something, if it's a stain or if this is just the leather. Like, I don't care. Like, I'm gonna just be honest. I don't care because it's on the back of the bag. So I would, if it was on the front, I would probably return it. But because it's on the back, I don't really care. But I am interested to know what that is. I'm wondering if this item was a return. I mean, to see the tassels are wrapped up, but I don't know. Does this look like, the way this is wrapped, does this look like a return? Like, I don't care if it is, as long as a person didn't put their stuff in it and carry it outside. Like, I don't care if it's a return. I'm just asking, like, does this wrapping look like it was a return? Does this look like how returns come from Dooney? Because that's the only reason why I could see how this would have this on here. That somebody saw it, returned it, and then Dooney just decided to send it back to somebody else in hopes that they would say that they would keep it. I don't know. The other thing though, look at this. On the back of this leather, you can also see some veining. I don't know how much of the camera is going to pick it up. Yes, you can see it. You all see that? You can see some veining in the leather. It looks like stripes almost. And that's just the natural variation. I mean, again, this is leather. Leather is skin. So stuff like that doesn't bother me at all. But guys, the bag just smells heavenly. This bag smells so good. Let me get this strap off so we can see what we're working with, because I'm keeping her. I mean, like I said, that little spot on the back, I don't really care. It's on the back of the bag. I don't expect the bag to be like super perfect. I mean, I don't expect it to be defective, but I don't expect like, I mean, I guess I do expect perfection, but I guess we need to define what perfection is, and this is okay with me, especially at the price point. Y'all, I got this bag for $159. Now, I don't know why. I should have looked it up and see what retail is. Let me just pull up my tablet real quick to see what retail is on this bag. But I know it's in the threes. But anyway, guys, I would also be interested in having this bag in denim if Dooney and Bourke would ever bring that color back. Like, it's been a long time since they've offered it in denim, I think. And but I would love to have it in denim. So yeah, so actually, according to Dooney and Bourke, retail for this bag is actually $428. So this bag is normally $428 if it's not on sale, and I got it for $159. And with tax and shipping and everything, I ended up paying $173.71. So like for the quality of the leather, the size of the bag, and look at the strap. Look how thick this strap is. And I'm gonna get a little closer so y'all can see. So look how thick this strap is. You see it's got the gold stitching. You got the braiding on each side. Now, of course, this strap is not detachable, but why would I want to detach? This is a hobo. And it's not meant to be worn as anything other than a hobo. So if we get inside, of course, because it's Florentine, the neck of the bag has this, you've got the green suede lining that just feels so good. And it's got stuffing. You got the dust bag. Take some of the stuffing out. So, and this is a standard Dooney setup. You know, on the back wall, you got the Dooney patch with the zip and slip. And then on the front wall, you got the two slip pockets. One that would, well, actually, yeah, this one does have two. So you've got one larger and then one small slip pocket on the front wall. And then, of course, you got your standard key keeper. People always say that they wonder why Dooney makes the clasp on here and it's gunmetal when all of the hardware is gold. And I guess that's a good question, but like, it's in the inside of your bag, so why does it really matter, like, for real? And it's not meant to be a decorative item. It's not meant to really add anything to the bag except to hold your keys or whatever inside the bag you don't want to get lost. So I guess it would be nice if this was the same color as everything else, but I don't really think it matters one way or the other. Like, it's not that big of a deal, in my opinion. But anyway, that's just my 2 cents on that. So of course it comes with the dust bag that's in here, and you'll have your registration cards and everything in the back pockets. But this is it, y'all. This is a twist strap hobo. I love the tassel details on the zipper pull. I just think that's a really nice touch. And I love the smile. Like, see, look, it's already smiling even without anything in it. This bag is just going to be so cute. So I'm going to do some mod shots just so we can see what it looks like on me. Because one of the reasons that I shied away from this bag was because I thought it was too big. I don't like to look sloppy. And I just feel like sometimes like big slouchy bags just don't make me look good. They don't look good on my physique. So I was concerned about how this would look on me. But again, Mono's Beauty convinced me that I needed to go ahead and check this bag out. And since it was at such a good price, I figured I would go ahead and just take the plunge. So I will be right back and we can do some mod shots. So guys, I just think this is a really, really beautiful, beautiful bag. I think the craftsmanship on here is just impeccable. Look at the stitching on the bottom. Look how this is stitched. Look at these corners. Look at the curves on the bag. Look at this from the side. The other thing that I noticed that I think is beautiful on this bag, and it's one of those small details that you kind of overlook until you don't, and that is the color of the fabric around the zipper. Like that reddish color. I just think it really pops. And it also pops on the denim color bags in that Florentine leather with this red, but I think it pops on pretty much all of their leathers. They just really, really thought of everything when they selected the zippers for their bags, because I think choosing that red fabric, it was just a really, really good decision. Just like all the other Florentine bags with that are not made in America, you got your green suede on the other side of your tassels. So there you have it, guys. This is the Florentine Twist Strap Hobo in the color Natural. What do you think? Is this a bag that you would have in your collection? Comment down below. Thanks again so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider sharing it with your friends. If you haven't already subscribed, sis, what are you waiting on? Go on ahead and hit that button. It doesn't cost you a thing. And please, until the next time we see each other, take care of yourselves and each other. Talk to you later. Bye.